scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Thermal energy questions get easy fast when you compare how much energy each gram needs, then the smallest energy per gram change gives the biggest mass. Since each experiment gets 10,000 joules, the greatest mass comes from the process needing the least energy per gram, because mass equals total energy divided by energy per gram. Melting ice takes 330 joules per gram, and boiling acetone takes 540 joules per gram. For glycerin, Q equals mc delta T, so each gram needs 2.4 times 100 or 240 joules. For copper, each gram needs 0.40 times 200 or 80 joules, the smallest value, so D is correct. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past per gram energy. Rule, trust the given values and check each step before choosing.